Hey everybody, this is Dave Frericks from Qlik. Today we are going to go over the new updated version of the Snowflake Usage Dashboard V2. And we're going to go talk about some of the things that we've added that have changed on the Snowflake side, as well as our ability to add in some features that have been requested by some customers. So let's go ahead and start reviewing what's new with the Snowflake Usage Dashboard version 2. So let's go ahead and get started taking a look at what we've done in the new dashboard. So if what we're going to see initially is that it doesn't look a lot different than what we've had in the original Snowflake Usage Dashboard, and that's kind of by design. We want it to look similar, and we want it to be able to kind of have the same flow. However, there's two major changes that we've made. The first one is as Snowflake has changed their billing model and added the split out cloud services billing from the overall usage cost, we've gone ahead and captured that inside of the data model and inside of the dashboard. So we can now actually see how many overall credits are we using. We can see how much that's costing us based on our inputted dollar credit value. We also, however, can also see these cloud services billing. Now that's sort of the standby and hot background charges that exist that Snowflake used to pick up, but as of about February this year, started passing that cost on to customers. So we have split that out individually. The other major enhancement is that we've added the ability now to go through and get information from multiple Snowflake systems. And so whereas before it was a system at a time, we've now actually gone and consolidated, in this example, three different systems that we manage here at Qlik. So we have an R&D instance, we have an instance from our marketing organization, we have an instance from our partner engineering organization. We can actually look now at the different warehouses, we can look at the different systems. So if I want to come over and, for example, take a look at what our partner engineering group is doing, I can click that box, and now I'm looking at our usage patterns. If I want to go, for example, and maybe look at R&D, I can make that change very quickly and understand what R&D's spend looks like. So this ability now to come in and track multiple Snowflake systems, and there's no limit. If you have 5, great. If you have 10, great. The way that we've done this is to go ahead inside of the QlikSense load script, created a section where we go ahead and put in the different connections that are created inside of QlikSense into an inline table, and then we just create a for next loop that will go ahead and loop through all of the different iterations, pull all the metadata, all of the usage patterns, all of the query logistics into tables, and then of course Qlik being in memory will just stack that information on top of each other and tag it with the name of whatever we call that Snowflake connector as the delineator, so that we can keep the information separate as well as blend it all together. So that's really the only major change that we've done. We've also included a capability here to set a parameter called arrow force, which takes advantage of the new Snowflake arrow parquet optimized format. Now this is dependent upon having a 2.21.6 version of the ODBC driver from Snowflake. It's not yet supported inside of QlikSense provided Snowflake driver yet. Should be out by November, but as of right now you need to have the Snowflake driver to be able to leverage this feature, which dramatically improves performance of pulling the information out of Snowflake. So those optimizations are what's new. It has been documented out on our GitHub site in version 2 release notes. So you have the ability to come in and now download a new version of this application, as well as kind of go ahead and look through the release notes. So that's what's new. We've gone and added some customizations based on what we've gotten from our customer requests. We've gone ahead and added the ability to split out the cloud services versus the straight compute costs, and we've also gone ahead with the ability to be able to get that new information out here through the GitHub release. So that's what's new in Usage Dashboard version 2. Thank you so much for your time, and again, anybody can go to the GitHub site if you have any questions. If you have any asks, please let me know, and I will continue to iterate and eventually come out with a version 3. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.